their immediate family, and I'm sure a very close friend. I would have my mother and my sister, my father and my husband. And I'm sure every woman should think of that first. अगर एक शादीशुदा औरत हो तो पहले अपने husband के बारे में सोचे that they should try to contact that person first, and then of course there should be a friend also as a backup as the fourth person. That's why we have 4 people that will know. And मर्दों को protect करना, I think I hope कि मर्द अपने आप को भी protect कर सकते हैं. The face of it, I mean, there are so many, you know, great personalities. I think it would be Mr. Bachchan or Mr. Aamir Khan that I would like to see.
Question really was there a time that in the past maybe that you wished you had this app and you didn't then?
Well, I mean, I don't know, throughout the making of Talash, we shot in areas which were quite gruesome. The real by-lanes of Bombay, which I never thought that I would also walk because of the character that I was playing. So probably then I would wish that this app was there. I wish this app was there for all those girls out there, you know, who would have to take up this job. It's for everyone. This kind of an app, and you know, I mean, the number of smartphones and Androids that are being used today. I mean, like, I don't know, I mean, the rate is like skyrocketed in the last 9 months. Everyone is, I mean, so is my cook, you know, even he's on a Samsung, so that's the way it's growing.
Kareena, talking about rape happening and safety of women, you know, don't you think it is unquestionably a very vast topic to discuss? But don't you think the men with sick mind should be trained right from their roots, you know? How do we eradicate their thought process? Like, what do you have to say, like any 2-3 points that you would like to share?
This problem is a very deep-rooted problem. It's not just a man with a sick mind. It's people who have grown up. It's a child to a man, from adolescence to becoming a man, the atmosphere that they grow up in, the situations that they face, whether they have been something that they have experienced in their childhood. Who knows? Whether they have been traumatized, they have been tortured. There's poverty, there's uneducation. There's so many things that lead to a man's sick mind. So what we can definitely do is, I feel very strongly for another cause, which I will soon be supporting. I would just like to mention that, is education in India, which not many people try to put, you know, they don't try to harp on it too much. We just kind of, nobody really talks about that. Like in the UK and United States of America, everyone has a right to free education. In India, now recently the law has been passed. But we have to stretch on that, because we don't realize that education, just the sense of a basic kind of, you know, when somebody kind of explains things to you in that way, a basic kind of schooling keeps you grounded. So I think
very easily, like it's become very prominent.
Now people are just,
how can women should be smart? जैसे बोलते हैं ना, उनकी तीसरी इंद्री भी होती है.
Women do have a sixth sense.
So what do you think women should do to evade such things, you know?
Well, I mean, I think women somewhere, I'm not being biased, but women somewhere have this general sense of nurture. They know exactly. They are just, I don't know, I just feel that they have a sense where they tend to be sharper than men. They also grow and, you know, understand things much faster than a man. A man takes time, I feel, to grow. And women, somewhere, I feel that we will have that sense when things are, you know, kind of going wrong. And now I'm coming back to the With You app. It's something that all of us must try and download on our instruments somewhere to keep, just for the fact that, you know, that's your bodyguard now. You don't really need a handsome, good-looking man to be your bodyguard. When you have this, you can still feel free and, you know, walk the streets.
करीना, आपने विद यू के जरिए तो मैसेज दे दिया लोगों को कि वो किस तरह से अपने आप को सेव कर सकती हैं लड़कियां, लेकिन कई लड़कियां ऐसी भी हैं जो छोटे टाउन या विलेजेस में रहती हैं जो स्मार्टफोन नहीं यूज करती हैं. तो उन लोगों को आप अपने आप को सेव रखने के लिए क्या कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, मैसेज क्या देना चाहेंगे?
For those kind of people where I understand that, you know, there is 40%, I mean, कि जो यहाँ हमारी women हैं, they are from rural India. And that's why मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि even the government should specify on education. Free education to people, young girls, young boys in rural India will help protect women. I believe in that. मैं बहुत believe करती हूँ इसमें कि अगर हम छोटे छोटे बच्चों को free education दें at a very young age, if we even give them the basic education, the right, and everyone has the right to education all over the world, including now in India. I'm very, very sure, and I believe in that, that will help at least the mindset of people जो हमारे छोटे शहरों में जिनके पास I understand there's a lot of poverty, there's a lot of unrest in these kind of places, but there has to be a start. And मेरे हिसाब से trying to eradicate illiteracy by free education is somewhere a start to that.
करीना, लास्ट सवाल, लास्ट क्वेश्चन,
थैंक यू।
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको हम सबका कोऑपरेशन बहुत पसंद आया होगा, बिल्कुल इवेंट से कॉज से हटे नहीं, और आप खुद भी इट्स ओके एज यू कैन हियर मी, हम सब ने आपको सपोर्ट किया है, सिर्फ हमने सोशल कॉज की बात की और वाकई में बहुत अच्छा कॉज है, और आपने कहीं कहा भी कि मुझे मालूम है आप अपने आप को बहुत कंट्रोल करके बैठे हैं, तो आप भी कुछ कह दीजिए, हम इससे पूछे इससे बेहतर।
मैं कॉज के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आज अच्छा लग रहा है कि पहली बार किसी फिल्म प्रमोशन, किसी फिल्मी बातें नहीं हो रही है। एक स्टार के हिसाब से आई थिंक एक औरत होने के नाते, एज एन इंडियन वुमन ऑफ दिस कंट्री, वी हैव हैड दिस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, व्हिच आई थिंक इज अ ग्रेट थिंग। एंड फिल्में तो चलती रहेंगी, वो तो जिंदगी है हमारी, मेरे खून में है, मेरे रगों में दौड़ रहा है, फिल्में तो मैं हमेशा करूंगी। एंड ऐसे बहुत मौके आएंगे जहां हम बहुत बात भी कर सकते हैं फिल्म्स के बारे में, बाकी जो भी सवाल आपको करने हैं उनके बारे में, वो तो मौका तो 100% आगे बहुत